Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one recipe which you guys can make it for the breakfast. So today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make crispy bread upma at your home. So for this crispy bread upma, what you need, take a pan. I added some butter guys, and I'm going to add these bread slices into this. So here I cut the white one. If you want to use the wheat bread, you can use the wheat bread also, but for the bread upma we have to use only that white bread. So I'm going to fry until it becomes brown and crisp. Hey guys, the bread it started becoming a little bit crisp, and so we have to fry this one until it becomes fully crisp. So it will take 5 minutes, guys. So you can add butter or oil, anything. But today I added butter. Butter is very good for our health. So I added the butter and yeah. Hey guys, this is ready and I'm going to remove this one and I'm going to keep it in the another vessel. So yeah, so I kept the bread here, and in the same kadai I'm going to add some oil. So you can add 1 tablespoon of oil, and in this I'm going to add the mustard seeds, the cumin seeds, chana dal and urud dal. So I added the mustard seeds, the urud dal, chana dal, and I also added some somph, that is the fennel seeds. It gives the nice taste in the upma, guys. And I'm going to add some ing powder, the asafoetida, and some fresh curry leaves, some fresh curry leaves. And it's time to add the onion. So you have to fry this onion until it becomes brown. Then you have to add the chopped tomatoes. And I'm going to add some chopped tomatoes. So you can add any veggies, guys. You can add capsicum or even the peas. So you have to fry this one. And I'm going to add the salt, the turmeric powder. Hey guys, I added the turmeric powder, the salt, that is up to your taste, how much salt you want. And we have to cook this one until the tomatoes is nicely cooked with the onion and the other masalas. I added the fresh ginger, guys, to mix, and it's time to add this bread into this. We should not supposed to fry, guys, because already we cooked the bread. The bread is very crispy, so you have to mix along with the onion and the tomatoes. And it's time to add some fresh hara dhania, the coriander leaves or cilantro. And it's time to put it in the serving plate. Hey guys, I put it in the serving plate, and can you see I'm going to enjoy this delicious each slice of bread piece. So this is the quick video of how to make South Indian bread upma at your home. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And you can make this dish in under 5 minutes, guys. This is very easy recipe. So you have to prepare everything. That's all. So see you soon in my another cooking video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.